Ka Health City Hospital ka Banakhana para Guwahati, ringkat ka Jingatray lang bat ka District Early Intervention Center Jowai, kabahap hapo ka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK, jong ka Sarkar pedeng kalapeteng ya ka free screening congenital heart disease, ne ka jing examen ay ki khana ki bashitam klongsnam. Kani ka jing examen ya ki khana ki bashitam klongsnam, kalapeteng sa harilum jantia ha kalaipo tarik kalalingkat, nakabanta kilay tali ki block ki bahap hapo ka West China Hills District, but ha kalay puwi tarik kalalingkat, nakabanta ki khana jong ka East China Hills District. Ya ka jing examen na penlong hapo ka District Early Intervention Center kabadan hapanalir Jowai, kabadai ka jaka kabapit karpang ya ka jinglong jingman, but jing he jing san jong ki khana, nadu badangka hadu khat prasnam. Habayakaran bat ka Dr. Saurabhi Das, Director Pediatric Cardiology Health City Hospital, kalaong bakaladan ka jinga soy soskular ne MOU, hapdeng ka Sarkar Jilla bat ka Health City Hospital, bansumar ye ki khana ki bashitam klongsnam hapo ka te ka hospital. Kalaong katkum ka soskular, baro ki khana ki bapenrung ne registered hapo ka RBSK, kinyo ya ka jing sumar nakabanta ka jing shitam klongsnam hapo ka te ka hospital. Kalaong ru baka ni kadai kasian ka baar bagi penlong ya kajing examen ya ki khana ki bashitam klongsnam bat ka baningkong kadai hanong ba shilong bat kani kajing examen ya ki khana kan beteng ru shakiwei pat ki district jong ka jilla shu kalaya thu baha kani ka Syllad dan hadu shispa arpu arngot ki khana ki bawan sha kani kajing examen bat na pedeng kini ki badan kam jing sumar kilong henry phuwei ngut ki badan kam ban but dien ne check up kilong shipho ngut bat ki bam dan jing shitam kilong san phuwei ngut ka Dr. Das kalakan tu ye ki mi ki pa ban wan sha khamat ban pha sumari ki khun kat ba ka jing shitam kam pat slam khnang bakanam kta ye ki khun anda ki la he lasan bat kalaban jorru ye ki mi ki pa ba kim dai ban penslam ban let wa jing arab na ki doctor haba ki tep ba ki khun ki dan jing shitam ye ki no ki jing shitam khamtam ka jing shitam klongsnam.
I am Dr. Saurabhi Das. I am the Director of Pediatric Cardiology from Health City Hospital, Khanapara, Guwahati. So I have come here today for a screening camp which we are doing amongst all the children of this district and the neighboring districts also. And here we are basically screening the children for their heart diseases. Now we already have a MOU which is signed in between our hospital and the government of Meghalaya. So under that MOU, all the children who are registered under RBSK are going to get completely free of cost treatment for their heart disease. So I'm going to do echocardiography on all those children who have come here today for the camp. This is a screening camp which is also organized by the RBSK in association with the NRHM. So all those children would be diagnosed as positive cases are being categorized into two. One urgent operation and the other which they can come slowly. Now once we have already diagnosed, we have a list of all of these children. Now they will be also called from our side. They can come directly to our hospital in Health City and they will be treated for their heart disease completely free of cost. There will be no money charged from them from entry to exit, and also we will be giving them all the medications which will be necessary so they can come back home and they can get the medicines from here and keep the children on our follow-up. So we will be coming intermittently and we can do the follow-up. Now this is our second camp in the state of Meghalaya. We already did one camp from Shillong, okay, and the neighboring district where already we have screened 50 children and around 35 to 40 of them have been already successfully operated, and the rest are going to come with us. So the whole system is highly systematized, yeah, and we are also going to do it in rest of the districts also under the MOU that is being signed with the government and us. So far now I have already diagnosed around 20 to 25 children after just screening 40 children. So you can already understand that the incidence is very high. It is like every 50% of the children whom we are screening are having this diagnosis, right? Now what happens is, if we do not do an early diagnosis and if you keep your children at home even after knowing the diagnosis, what we are doing is we are actually affecting them and their heart. So their growth is also affected. They cannot be like the normal children when they grow, because gradually, because of the hole and the problem, the heart starts to dilate and there are chances of heart failure. So once the child starts developing heart failure, even after we are correcting by surgery, it takes a long time to become equal to that of a normal child or a normal adult. And for greater productivity, we all want to be normal adults. So we have to take the diseases, heart disease of our children very seriously and treat them as soon as the detection or diagnosis is being made. We have very good child specialists here, very good people who are actually diagnosing and telling the people, urging them to seek early medical help. So I've already met with some of the pediatricians of this district. They are doing a very great job. They're actually making early diagnosis, and once the diagnosis is made, they find it very difficult. The people are staying at home. So I would like to make an appeal to the general public that if your doctor is showing some doubt, or if you have any doubt that my child is not growing well, having recurrent cough and cold, is becoming blue on crying, or has developed redness of the eyes with swelling of the fingers or feet or abdomen, please seek an early help from the child specialist, and then they can guide you to come to us to seek early help, and we can treat them early. Actually, what has happened is some of the children, like I can always correlate, there were 2 children who are having very complicated diagnosis and they need very complex surgery. So for them, we need little bit more weight and age. So what we have done for them, it is like open heart surgery is needed, and they will be needing special conduits, special tubes, which can only be fitted once the child is above 15 kg weight. For them, we have kept them on follow-up, and we have asked them to come once the child is becoming 15 kg, so that we can permanently put in tubes and valves also. So once we put a valve in those children at an older age, what happens? Recurrent surgery is not needed. So that's why we have deferred those 2 important cases. They are still on our watch list. But we haven't sent anywhere else because our surgeon and our team is quite well adapted. Till now, we have successfully done the operations. There is no need to send anywhere else.
Okay.
Yeah. But 2 are waiting, definitely, yes.
Hari ka program ini kan itu RBSK program. RBSK program short Rashtriya Bal Swasthya कार्यक्रम. Kemudian ke hari ni program le child health screening. Kemudian child health screening buat early child health screening sedang kan ada orang sedang immediately after birth and after delivery ada 0 to 18 years of age. Ini program ini cover kita. Dan ini ke program ini screening defect at birth. 4Ds apa ini? 4Ds so tadi di defect at birth. Kita we deficiency, kita we ni one disease, childhood diseases. Also ni tahu developmental delays including disability. The having program man percanggi na do na yearly na do na immediately after delivery lah. Had kita delivery point na ki yang ibu lagi yang screen kisah immediately after delivery. The mana dia delivery ni depo lagi senang yang ki no. The em ki asya ni. Memang ki women ni ki asya do lagi. Dan em don't want dah ki kan bu which am defect ki am deficiency lani ki am ni ki wan kechut lani ki kinja motor delay kinja jinduna ki dekat med kapat ki dau pa ki sha shagani ga center yang ni kani center yang ikut ki ka district early intervention center na the hagani center ni PMQ am ni no na am pediatrician dan am medical officer dan am ki kini ki audiologist am ni ko check ga hearing dan optometrist la ME you check screen ya i kama ni te ME ni ki dentist la ME screen ni ki main da dan ni te ni ki ME ki physiotherapist ME da ME ki mana ki case to have physiotherapy ME physiotherapist ka manage kita physiotherapy but ni te ME ka psychologist kani psychologist la ME case ki man something mental delay mental abnormality ni te ME ki autism dan lagi something with the mental part ka le kata screening no ne dia po assess ki dan dia po assess then she give them advice counseling is being ki one counseling to have le kam te tikini ki case to detect ni dan hawan ki em hawan hadin hadin le banai kam te ne bhai review ne bha man lai ki shiyung ki counseling ki em ki program ni hab le em ki treatment ni hab shim ki hadin kat kam ka kshut kam ki kat kam ka problem kam ki hawan ki hadin banai ne le banai em ki case ki ne bhai ni bun sin to screening nan hi em ki case ki hab high for treatment the give you treat any pause civil hospital high civil hospital okay ni common diseases Lagi you treat ini try kam gi eye problem gi eye problem lagi you treat simple pha simple lagi you treat the tai of yoga bansara prefer bansara the like sha bansara no you treat the like bansara di basra eye care center the katewa takli the eye problem the kam tam gi heart case bi kam tipi ni ti intervention na kini cardiologist lo intervene no every case lo have le surgery begitu tiga tai obi waka negrim na lehi ni te waka apolo chennai la lehi te kan ni this time ni perchang da wan rai de ninga health city on rap jan rap sukibu te kan ni wan rai de health city ni tai obi te ki case ko detect ni te mo dok phai ki o le ap kam le surgery kamu le ki mani wan ki bu device ki ni kan ap kam ni le dong tau tu vision